Picture this. You're getting your car ready for a long drive. So, nagmamaneho ka na when you feel that parang may mali. You feel a vibration coming from the front, may naririnig kang maingay, may lagatok, may kabig yung manibela. When this happens, it's better to stop the car and have it brought in for a safety inspection. Maari kasi na may problema na ang dalawang pinaka-importanteng parte ng suspension mo, ang tie rod end at ang ball joint. So, in this episode, we look at two really neat products that will make your car a smoother and safer drive here at the house of BSB. Welcome, Auto Geeks, to the house of BSB. I'm Andy, and together, let's explore kung ano ba meron dito sa house of BSB para sa ating mga sasakyan. To be honest, I'm very excited myself because as an enthusiast, I can tell you na nung bata pa ako, nagtatrabaho na ako na kung ano-ano para lang masuportahan ang aking hilig sa sasakyan. And I have been writing and talking about cars and car maintenance and car performance ever since. Right now, we are here at the BSB June Rose warehouse, which as you can see, is stocked with all sorts of car parts that enthusiasts that you and I would just love to get our hands on. They have a lot of great brands here, each with their own set of attributes that would make them perfect for our needs. Lahat na siguro ng kailangan natin ay nandito sa House of BSB. This is because the company behind all of this is none other than BSB June Rose Auto Parts Corporation, the Philippine parts industry's biggest player. You've got the best quality parts from the most reliable brands here. Not to mention, you'll also get the best assurance because BSB June Rose only sells all original parts with a QS seal. Siguradong original, siguradong safe. Maaalala din natin na ang founder ng BSB June Rose na si Mang Ben ay very particular sa mga original na pyesa dahil meron siyang kamag-anak na nadisgrasya sanhi ng mga peke na pyesa. Now let's go back to the problem at hand. May naririnig kang maingay sa harapan ng kotse mo o nahihirapan kang i-control yung manibela. Malamang ay may issue na ang iyong steering at suspension. Maari na sira na ang tie rods at ball joints mo at kailangan na itong palitan. Of course, bilang one-stop shop ng mga automotive parts, may solusyon dyan ang House of BSB. Pero syempre, hindi naman kung ano-anong piyesa lang i-rekomenda natin. Today, we are featuring SANKEI 555 suspension parts exclusively housed in the Philippines by BSB June Rose. I think SANKEI 555 needs no introduction, being one of the best brands in suspension parts. At alam naman natin na kapag sinabing made in Japan, mataas talaga ang kalidad nito. When they say that a product will perform, they really mean it. Now let's check out two products. The first is the ball joint. This allows the wheel and suspension to move in a certain direction whenever you turn the steering wheel. Next, we have the tie rod ends. These connect your steering to the suspension mechanism whenever you turn the steering wheel. Together, these two parts are crucial in ensuring that your car runs with minimal vibrations and to give you ease of steering. Of course, if you use your car regularly, natural talaga na magkakaroon ng wear and tear. Ang mahalaga ay alert ka sa mga signs na bugbog na ang mga suspension components na ito at kailangan ng palitan. Mahalaga ito upang makaiwas sa mas malaking repair bill at para din sa sarili mong kaligtasan. Symptoms of bad ball joints and or tie rod ends are 1. Excessive vibration from the front of your vehicle since nawawalan na mag-absorb ng shock from the movement of the wheels. 2. Difficulty steering because your wheel might be vibrating too much. 3. Medyo mas pudpod yung isang gulong mo kesa sa kabila. 4. Particularly for worn-out tie rod ends, you will feel that the front suspension alignment is off, causing your vehicle to drift to the left or the right kahit na nakaturo ka naman sa harap. And number 5, para naman sa mga ball joint problems, you will hear that clunking noise or lagatok from your front suspension. If not attended to, this can definitely lead to accidents. So that is why it is important to get the best quality parts. Kung maaari ay ipacheck kaagad ang sasakyan para malaman ang totoong cost ng mga simptoma at kung kailangan ay palitan kaagad ang mga pyesa. Now, SANKEI 555 ball joints and tie rod ends, and all of their other products for that matter, are made with robotics, ensuring high precision and accuracy when it comes to manufacturing. Since pulido rin ang pagkakagawa, they are able to ensure smooth and safe driving experience. SANKEI 555 also performs durability tests for 200,000 kilometers in order to provide a safe and high-performance ball joint. Kaya medyo mataas din ang kumpiyansa ni BSB sa 555. Aside from being a well-established brand already, especially in Asia, sigurado ka sa kalidad ng binibili mo. So when you buy from BSB, you are assured na original SANKEI 555 parts yung makukuha mo because BSB Junros is certified and authorized by SANKEI to distribute 555 products in the Philippines. BSB Junros is also committed to protecting the brand, kaya naman wala nang namimeke ng SANKEI 555 sa Pilipinas ngayon. So, to recap, kung meron ng mga kalampag o lagatok ang iyong sasakyan, kung hindi na siya nagtatrack ng diretso sa daan, it's time to have your suspension checked. And if you want to get the very best steering and suspension pieces for your car, head on over to BSB Junros to check out some really neat products from the one and only SANKEI 555. You can touch base with the BSB team through their channels here. Marami rin silang ibang brands that you can definitely check out. So if you have other queries, they'll be more than happy to answer. That's it for now, here at the House of BSB. Excited na kasi akong mag-ikot at magkalkal pa upang makita ano pang mga ibang pyesa ang pwede natin pag-usapan dito. So I hope to see you at the very next episode. I'm Andy Leuterio. Thank you and stay safe on the road.